Briggs & Stratton 725 EXI, 163 cc's, 7¼ foot-pounds of gross torque at 2,500 RPMs, or actually 26. But it's on this Husqvarna all-wheel drive push mower, which I have never seen an all-wheel drive push mower before. I actually just got finished cutting my backyard with it, and it's actually pretty awesome to use. Pretty much effortless. But this one was in for a no start, which it was dirty carburetor. And actually show you something that I haven't experienced before in these engines with the plastic carburetor before. So as I was pulling the main jet assembly out to clean it, the ball bearing popped out of the end. So I heard it go flying. It went to the land of to never be found again. So I was able to find one on Amazon. Part number is 592793, and it was about 20 bucks. But I'm actually gonna go just cut one little section of the front, and it'll be good to go. So thanks for watching.